Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the TBC Trevor Burger Custom LEXK Plus here with me for a maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's get to work. Let's see if we can improve. No, we can't improve. I think it's so smooth. Guys, this is fantastic. It's a beautiful knife. There is only one issue I have with this knife. Everything else is just perfect. The size, the shape, the sound, the look, the feel. It is fantastic, but there's only one but, guys. And yes, this guy is using T5 for this, and I think this is a T6. Let me check. Yeah, T6 and T5. It is not nice, let's say that, but it's the nature of the beast. What are you gonna do? So T5, really tiny screws for the scales. Absolutely small in my opinion. This is beautifully made, by the way. I mean, the precision, it's just flawless. From a craftsmanship point of view, it's absolutely flawless. I mean, you have T5 on the outside and T6 on the inside. That is interesting. So we're gonna have to, let me see, maybe we can leave these guys on. Let me see, this is a T6, yes. So T5 I don't like because they can be easily stripped. I mean, they're so tiny that they might get stripped easily, so I don't know. Just be careful when you do this kind of operation, because it would be a pity, right? So just open this guy, and you got three T. Yeah, these are T6, and you've got 3 on the inside to hold these liners together, like so. This knife, guys, is so well done that is ridiculous. I mean, it is truly ridiculous. Very simple, nicely done. Everything like checks out, is so smooth, so clean. The lines, the materials, it's a pretty cool front flipper indeed. Ceramic ball bearings. These are they look like skiff bearings. I don't know if these are actually skiff, but they are nice. Action, super smooth. I actually love the, let's say, work finish of this blade right over here. It's very interesting. I'm actually a huge fan lately of the Wharncliffe blade. I don't know what happened to me, but I'm digging the Wharncliffe blade 100%. So let's just clean up around this pivot here. Stop pin, and boom. Basically, this is done. Just clean up this area here as well. And we are in business, guys. This is there's no need to disassemble this side. I think I'm kind of being lazy, but it's pretty good to go if you want to clean up. Yeah, just straightforward, no issues whatsoever over there. Let's just do just a tiny 1-2 drops of 10 weight nano oil. I like it on these kind of bearings, and blade is in. Let's just keep it a little bit angled like that, and blade and the ball bearings are in. So 1, 2, and 3 drops over here. And then now you have to clean up this side. you have to line up these 3 screws with the backspacer, and then like so, superbly flush. Guys, this is precision, like 100%, digging it. This guy, Trevor Berger, knows what he's doing. And I just, you know what, let's do like this. This is here. And then I just align this guy like so. Pretty easy, right? And then you line up the stop pin and the pivot. You get your T6 Torx bit, and you start to put it back together. If this is aligned nicely, you will notice that the screws screw in like this. Look at that. And that is 1. And then you have the second one like here, and that is 2. And third one, it's in. Yes, beautiful. Guys, look at the precision of this. Oof, come on, it's pretty cool. Yes, so we are basically done because next up we're gonna have the pivot, and with a also T6, which is again it's a pity because I would have preferred, so this is not gonna be too tight because I wanna do this nicely first with a T5 again. Wow, T5. I was impressed, not positively, but I don't know. Just me. I just don't like T5. It's too. I think I got Andre Thorborn. It was a A2. With Van der Heen, he also had the T5, and it felt like not sturdy. I don't know. That's the feeling I get. I'm sure that it's gonna be fine. I mean, it's just like me, but it's fine if you have to hold the scales together. Yeah, I get it. But probably also T6 for the pivot. Maybe we could do something better. Let's see. Yeah, we need to. Oh yeah, this is. Okay. Blade is centered. Oof, this is smooth, guys. So here it's like that. So you see, probably you don't see. Guys, this is very smooth. There's no blade play. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. And you can actually, what is this? T6. You can actually tighten this guy all the way down. Perfectly centered blade. Snappy action. Ooh. And listen to the sound. That's nuts. Clack and clink. Beautiful, beautiful action, guys. Super smooth. Love this knife. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.